All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy holidays to each and every one of you guys around the world. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time with your loved ones, just relaxing and getting ready for a brand new year ahead of us. And speaking about a brand new year ahead of us, I hope you guys have the best year and, just not only money-wise, but also mentally and physically. But now, if we're looking at the markets right now, as of Christmas, you guys can see today is the Christmas day, and you guys know your boy Crypto ZX channel is going to provide you guys these updates, considering the tremendous amount of support you guys have showed me. If we're looking at the markets, we're seeing some coins up quite a bit, but at the same time, we're seeing some coins down right now. And the reason as to why this is the case is because, we have seen Bitcoin retrace down a little bit, and dominance also retracing down, which is causing a lot of coins to have their time. And you guys can see QNT, a project that was not moving, and I was seeing a lot of negative comments coming about QNT on my previous updates, and all of a sudden QNT is breaking out, which I'm not happy about. The reason as to why I'm not happy is because I know that QNT was not moving, and I wanted to accumulate before it starts moving, but I guess you win some, you lose some. But let's take a look at ADA's price. So if we're looking at Cardano's price, it's currently sitting at 60.3 cents. We're down about 2.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $21.2 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $700 million, which is really nice to see, to be quite frank with you guys. But before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So before we go ahead into the overall price, I wanted to kind of go over this right here so you guys can see this. AGIX, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this, but AGIX is built on Cardano's blockchain. And speaking about AGIX, this is one of the big projects that are built on Cardano. And, they made a huge announcement. You guys can see this for yourself. CTO Sergey discussing the launch of AGIX staking on Cardano and highlights our preparation for the integration of external memory and neural symbolic enhanced LLMs on the platform. To anyone that says no one builds on Solana, I'm sorry, not on Solana, on Cardano, I hope you guys want to rethink that, because what AGIX doing is one of the very few, and I think this will also open up the door going into the future. And speaking about opening the door, as I've mentioned to you guys, before, literally, if you watch my videos, guys, I predicted that we're going to see ecosystems having a battle for the first time. And, this battle is not just a small battle, in terms of the usability as well. And this is what we're seeing happening today. Literally now, times we're in, we're seeing this happen because people have realized that, hold on, Ethereum, who cares about this Ethereum 2.0? Ethereum scalability issue does not seem to be getting solved. There just doesn't seem to be an update. People are still paying insane amount of fees. People's transactions are being stuck. It's not smooth, right? And this is why people want to look elsewhere. Hence, we're seeing Solana absolutely exploding. Its ecosystem is exploding. People are getting excited about it. But this is not only going to just bring in attention to Sol, it's going to bring in attention to other chains as well. And Cardano is one of them, and it is gaining traction. You guys might not see this happening because right now, I've said this even in my Solana update, we're seeing Solana everything. Literally on crypto Twitter, everything is Solana based, and this is something 3 to 4 months ago no one didn't even want to hear about Solana. People did not even want to talk about Solana, and all of a sudden everyone is extremely bullish. So basically the point that I'm trying to make is the entire eyes right now are on Sol. Of course, Sol is an insane project. You guys know I'm a huge supporter of it, but this is causing a lot of people to ignore other layer ones, other layer twos, and ADA is one of them. And speaking about ADA, its price is holding really strong, and that speaks for itself as far as the overall momentum goes. And I think going into quarter one of 2024, we could see Cardano breaking out as well. And speaking about Q1 of next year, I did a poll on my channel, and about 3,000 votes came in, and 30% of those votes are rooting for Cardano to be the shocker, move. So that is really, really interesting, of course, but we're going to see what happens as, we go into the new year. Of course, highly, highly anticipated ETF launch. That is basically what a lot of people are waiting for going into the year of 2024. So, this ETF news is so big because if we hear even a little bit of a hiccup coming into this ETF approval, this can change everything. This can change the shorter time scale. We might see, a massive pullback for BTC if there is a hiccup coming in the way. So it's really, really important, to lock in profits if you've been printing massive gains throughout Q4 of 2023, which a lot of people have been. And speaking about ADA, the constant thing that I hear about people is that, Cardano is not moving. So I just want to put that to an end for the very last time, because the reason as to why I want to talk about this is because I see these comments. I see people talking about ADA has not pumped up at all. When I hear these comments, it literally makes me just want to go crazy, because if you're looking at it on the October 20th, just October 20th, it was 24.5 cents. And if you picked it up at that range, you did see ADA go up about 180%. And 180% for a bigger market cap coin is a huge price movement. And this is something people continuously ignore. And speaking about continuously ignoring, what also a lot of people are ignoring right now is this. After having a 180% move, I've always said this before, you need to see a project rather than just going all the way down after having a huge rally. You want to see a project start consolidating. And what you're seeing happening with Cardano is it has started to consolidate. It's trading sideways right beneath the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If you understand this, you would realize that this is a really, really bullish move. After having this significant rally, you need to see the project start trading sideways. And that's exactly what ADA has been doing. We were very, very close on December 14th, almost retested the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but never managed to do so. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is, despite Bitcoin's little bit of retracement that we're seeing BTC sitting below the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, but Bitcoin dominance pulling down is causing some of the coins across the board to go up, and a lot of coins are holding really strong against Bitcoin's momentum right now due to the dominance index going down. So it's just a matter of time, before we do see this, 78.6 Fibonacci retracement retest, which is only a 15% move from the current price levels. And if you want to take a look at it on the bigger time scale, this ends the bear market cycle once we get into that blue zone. So this is a continuous reminder to people so that you do not want to be seeing trolls in the comments saying it's not pumping, it's not doing this, it's not doing that. You want to be taking a look at what the project is doing and how it's holding. Because of course, most of these trolls come and compare it to meme coins, meme coins that are absolutely exploding, but you don't realize meme coins are basically 99% going to fail. I've always said this, even higher than 99%. I would even say 99.5% will fail. And those type of gains, you need to know how to deal with that market. Not all these projects like Cardano, VeChain, Solana are going to see those type of moves. It's going to require patience. And if you don't have patience, then I think crypto isn't for you. So that is that. I really like what I'm seeing. I'm very optimistic that, we will see ADA popping into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. It's going to give you one step at a time. You need to have patience. But yeah, that's that. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. This right here is a Christmas gift for you guys. An update that I was not going to make, but due to the overwhelming support, I had to bring this up for you guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow. And of course, let me know in the comments what you think. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.